In this video, I will show you how to simply track your order on JD.com or JD Shopping app after you have successfully made payment for your order. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your JD Shopping app. Just like so. Having opened up your JD Shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate the particular order that you have paid for in JD Shopping app in order to track the order to know if the order has been shipped or has been delivered to your address in China or in global red. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Hidefish, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So for us to track our JD order, all you have to do is to simply click on the message box right here. Go ahead and click on that. And it's going to take you right here. So the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on this box icon right here. So go ahead and click on that. Just like so. So every items on transit is going to be found right here. See, so this is depends on the number of the order you have just placed in JD.com. For you to know if an item is on transit for proper tracking, all you have to do is to simply click on a particular product. I'm going to use this product as an example. I'm going to click on the product link. So having click on the product link, it's going to load up right here. And then just like what you see right here, you can see the tracking history and the map right here. So immediately you see something like this, it means that the item is on transit and this is the exactly place where the item is. All you have to do is to keep on checking right here. So you can see when they issue the items from here to here, and then you can click on here and check the details about your tracking. Once your product is successfully delivered, it's going to be indicate right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to source and ship products from China using JD Shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.